In a recent turn of events, the Colorado Supreme Court has made an unprecedented decision to exclude former U.S. President Donald Trump from the state's presidential primary ballot. This is the first court to assert that Trump's role in inciting the January 6th attack on the U.S. Capitol disqualifies him from seeking re-election. The ruling was issued on a Tuesday, but its implementation has been temporarily suspended to permit Trump to appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court. The Trump campaign has stated its intention to appeal, with a deadline of January 4th, according to the state court's decision. The focus of these legal proceedings revolves around a post-Civil War era section of the U.S. Constitution. This section prohibits insurrectionists from holding public office. The Colorado case is the first constitutional challenge to Donald Trump's 2024 presidential candidacy that has reached trial. It specifically addresses his efforts to overturn the 2020 election, which included urging supporters to assault the U.S. Capitol on January 6, 2021. According to a statement from the Trump campaign, they intend to promptly appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court and request a stay to prevent the ruling from being enforced. An advocacy group representing voters, Citizens for Responsibility and Ethics, has contended that Donald Trump should be disqualified from the ballot due to his role in inciting the January 6th attack on the Capitol. Throughout the year, Donald Trump has been confronted with numerous lawsuits nationwide asserting that he is not qualified for another term as president. These lawsuits cite Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, which states that a person who took an oath to support the Constitution and then engaged in insurrection is ineligible to hold office again. The political landscape in Colorado is currently dominated by the Democratic Party, with Democratic governors and both U.S. senators being Democrats. In summary, the Colorado Supreme Court's decision to exclude Trump from the state's presidential primary ballot is a first of its kind, opening the door to potential similar rulings in other states. The Trump campaign plans to appeal the decision, and a deadline of January 4th has been set for this appeal. The ruling has sparked debates on the interpretation of the Constitution and the eligibility of a former president to run for office. The outcome of this case could significantly influence the 2024 presidential election and, in the broader sense, the future of American politics.